Hi everyone, Jorge with Dent Motion. I'm here working on a 2002 Porsche Boxster today. It has about a 3-inch dent. The dent was caused by the wind over here in Colorado. Caught another vehicle's door and opened it really fast and somehow left like a gash on this fender. Let me show you the damage. So here's the car. And here's the dent. I'd say it's about as long as a finger, and it left a paint chip there. The customer did order the touch-up from Porsche, but deep, nasty dent. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my trusty jack there and raise it up a little bit so I can work on it from this angle, and then I'm going to work on it from this angle also. So snowy day today for Colorado. It's been beautiful, but then this weekend we got some snow. Anyways, I'll show you the progress. All right everyone, so here's the final product on this Porsche Boxster. As you remember, there's the chipped paint. The customer, like I said, ordered the paint from Porsche to touch it up. This one came out beautiful. The orange peel is all intact, all looking really good. Really nice. Really nice job here. All right, everyone. So if you're in need of any paintless dent repair, like door dings, obviously creases like this on this Porsche Boxster, hail repair, we're located over here in Broomfield, Colorado. You can give us a call at 720-552-0808, and also check out our website at dentmotion.com. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.